Hey, my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining, my name is Kelly Glow. I'm into lash, I'm into brows, I'm into makeup, tattoo, and I sell this product. So you'll be seeing the beautiful transformation of this pretty dark skin model. If you always watch my YouTube, you would know that I'm so in love with dark skin more than light skin. Why showing you how I transformed this pretty beautiful model? I want to tell you and encourage you to let you know when you should get a studio or not. So if you're new into the makeup business, don't just rush and go and open a makeup studio. Make sure you serve your boss for a while. Then, I'm not saying opening a studio at once is bad, but most times they always say experience is a good teacher, because most times when you open a makeup studio these days, people don't just walk into a makeup studio. They have to see your online presence, they have to see what you can deliver online. So now you opening a studio is more like you're wasting your time. All you need to invest on is your online presence, your signature. You can be working from home and then you have online presence. You understand? That online presence now will help you to get referrals from all angles. Not that I'm saying that it's bad to open a studio as soon as you finish. I'm only trying to say that it's best to be at the safer side, because experience is the best teacher. So if you just finish your job and you open a studio, most time it's stressing and depressing. We wouldn't want to be in that state. So it's advised that you start from small. Probably you get a space first. When you've gotten a space and you've built a community, you've built audience, you've built people that by default they like your work, they naturally want to refer you to people, and you start making money from it, then you can now open a studio that you can afford. Unless you have money to open luxury studio. But if you don't have money to open a luxury studio, you open a studio that you can afford. People are actually more concerned about your work. It's best you invest money on your product, your equipment. Make sure you have a good aesthetic pleasing page online, rather than you having a good aesthetic pleasing page offline and then you don't have online presence. People will just be like, her shop is just big for nothing, she don't know what she they do. I've had talks of so many big makeup artists, like they'll be like, I booked her or I walked into her shop, she don't know what she's doing, I just big for nothing shop she gets. But once you build your presence online, you know what you're doing, then you then open a big studio, then it tallies with the standard of what you're trying to build. You understand? I'm not saying opening a big studio is bad, please don't get me wrong. I'm only saying most times it's good to build empire. Understand this thing before you start scaling in bigger. It's more like you're doing a trial before you start selling in bigger. And before you get an assistant, make sure you get someone that is loyal. Make sure you get someone that you can control. Make sure you get someone that you can talk to, because the stress involved in makeup, you don't even need another person to stress you again. The only thing I pray that Lord see you through in all the endeavors you make in your career and decisions you take. I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to click like, comment and share. Bye.